Today we're covering the weather in High Point, North Carolina. Today in High Point it is cloudy with an 87% chance of rain and a high of 77 with a low of 61. And the humidity is 64% and the UV is 4. On Sunday it is mostly cloudy with a 52% chance of rain with the showers ending by midday. The high of 76 degrees and the low is 57 degrees. And the humidity is 69% and the UV is 80. On Monday it will be sunny with a 14% chance of rain and the high of 76 degrees and a low of 53 degrees. The UV is 9 and the humidity is 51.
Here we have a map of the United States. If you start by looking in the west, you'll see temperatures as low as 50 and then as high as 75. If you come down to the southern portion of the country, down below Texas and Louisiana, you'll get temperatures as high as 77, but as low as 64. If you move over to the east side, you'll get temperatures as high as 71, but then still mid-60s. Then moving up to the northeast, you get temperatures as low as 43 in Maine, but still overall staying in the mid-50s and mid-60s. Moving up to the north portion of the country, we get temperatures as low as 34, but still overall staying in the high 40s and low 50s.
We're looking at western North Carolina and the Triad. As you look west, the temperatures are upper 60s, lower 70s, but as you look further east, the temperatures are upper 70s and low 80s.
So on Monday, we have a high of 76 and a low of 51. It'll be mostly sunny with a 15% chance of rain. On Tuesday, the high is 76 and low is 55, partly cloudy and a 5% chance of rain. On Wednesday, the high is 74 with a low of 58. It'll be mostly cloudy with a 22% chance of rain. On Thursday, it'll be 75 and a low of 58 with a 41% chance of rain and some clouds. On Friday, a high of 69 and a low of 54 with some rain, 36% chance. On Saturday, it'll be a high of 69 with a low of 55, partly cloudy and a 31% chance of rain. On Sunday, it'll be 74 with a low of 58, partly cloudy and a 24% chance of rain. On Monday, the high will be 76 and the low will be 59 with 48% chance of rain.
Happy birthday! It's Doritos! Please, please. You got me Cool Ranch! This is the best birthday ever!
Hey, hey, hey! Where's the birthday girl?
That's not Doritos.
What?
We were looking at the eastern region, and as you look north, it is more chilly, but as you go further south, it is warmer. In the eastern coast, it is mid-70s and the Triad is 70s.
Here now we have the state of North Carolina's dew points. So starting with the state low, it gets down to about 54 in the western part of the state, with the high being 68 in the middle of the state. The state average is about 61 and mostly stays in the high 50s and low 60s, and the state range is 14.
So here is a high and low pressure map of the United States. In the northwest, there's high pressure, and in the middle, there's also really high pressure. And as you look around Salt Lake City in the west, the pressure is very low, and as you look at the east, the pressure is also low.
Here we have the estimated precipitation for the United States. So starting down in the south and then moving up to the northeast, it's estimated that we will get less than 1 inch of rain. And then starting in Florida, again moving up to the northeast, and then also in parts of the north, again moving up to the north, and then parts of the east, they're estimated to receive 1 to about 3 inches of rain. And then in parts of Texas, moving along to parts of Louisiana, they're estimated to have 3 to 5 inches of rain in the last 24 hours. Here we are in downtown High Point, North Carolina, where the temperature is currently 74 degrees.
As you can see behind us, there are rain clouds, and it is about to rain, and the wind is picking up. Yeah. That's all for now. Thank you for watching IRL News with Nora and Harper. If you don't subscribe, this spider will be in your bed tonight. Yeah.
Here we have the map. Yeah.
consider including. Like you can consider it, we just considered not to do it.